In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 0x00000005 in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run for SFC scan. So by that, you need to proceed here at the search box, type for CMD. Once done, wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system before we continue. Once you have seen it, you need to navigate to the right side and you need to run it as an administrator. So click for run as administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So by here, I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. This is SFC space / scan now. So paste it here. Click on the enter key and wait until this process would be finished. So this will take 5 to 7 minutes. Please be patient, and once you are done with this, close the window and then check if the error has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together and please type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. So wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, I want you to restart your computer and check if the error has been resolved. Okay? And now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.